Hey guys, Patrick Donovan, XP Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Cobblestone Village in Savannah, Georgia. This is really close to the Hyundai EV plant, to Pooler, all the stuff the Pooler has to offer. One exit down, as a matter of fact. And from here, you can get to Pooler in 10 minutes, which is fantastic. Of course, this is new construction, so it's a little bit loud, but we'll be checking out the aisle plan. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 1,927 square feet. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's one of them days. Love is a little warm, a little bit humid, and then this house, the AC is not on right now because they're not ready for that. So you're gonna see a lot of sweat, but a lot of passion. This is the aisle, right? And I love this. Look at this wide open space right here. Right in the kitchen, okay? Now, these are your laminate countertops, but everything that's ordered after, that goes under contract after June is gonna be granite countertops, so that's fantastic. But I love this island, look. You could probably fit, let's say 3, hold on. Me, so maybe 3.5 me's on this bar, maybe 4 regular people. Love that. But I love this little part right here, and as you can see, this is where your fridge would be, but new construction homes typically don't come with refrigerators. Now, it depends, because we're DR Horton, their incentives change a lot. So sometimes you get a refrigerator, sometimes you don't, sometimes you get great interest rates, sometimes you don't. They always do closing costs, which is amazing. But stay tuned to my channel. If we got any incentives that change with DR Horton, I'm definitely gonna keep you abreast of that situation. But I love, there's tons of counter space here, especially, you know, right here, up there. You got this pantry right there, which leads into, we're gonna just check this out right here. Look at this. Goes in this 2-car garage. Do they have the, yeah, water heaters in? Unfinished, so I think a lot of times people think when they get their garage, it's gonna be finished, painted and all that stuff. Most likely in new construction homes, they will not do that. Now, if you get a higher elevated type of home, these are the express homes for DR Horton. So you get a higher elevated DR Horton home, they could be finished, or another new construction home could be finished. But I love this garage. If you like to work on cars or something like that, there's plenty of room to do that. Then you got 2 closets here. We're not gonna check that out, they're closets. But now I wanna check this closet out right here, because this one's bigger. It's worth it. Oh, bathrooms, half bath. I'm sweating and almost delirious right now, but here's your half bath right by the door. It serves this entire area, which I love that. Now, let's go upstairs. All right, now we're upstairs, okay? You got 2 rooms on this side, 2 rooms on that side. It's, like I said, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So let's go into the primary bedroom first. Whew, feeling it, man, I'm feeling it. This reminds me of us in the Army. We'd be out there in the woods just sweating our faces off, just enjoying life. But look at how big this room is. King size bed, you can definitely fit in here. All the furniture you kind of need, okay? Carpeted upstairs, as you can see, but except for the wet areas, it's gonna be rolled vinyl in here. You got your dual vanity right there, standing shower, and then you got a linen closet right here. And then a decent sized closet right there, and then the closet for the toilet. Check all that out. Now let me meet you in the other room. All right, before we go in the other room, I just want to show you this laundry room right here, and then this dual vanity shower tub combo bathroom right there. You can check that out real quick and I'll meet you in here. Yeah, you know, the funny thing is the cameraman's sweating too. He don't like to sweat. This is probably good enough for a queen size bed. I wouldn't go bigger than that because then it would dominate the room. But well, the good thing is he's got a walk-in closet right here, which is nice. So if you had like children or something like that in here, perfect size bedroom for them. But let's go to the other side and see what's up. All right, I do not want to miss this closet. So this closet would have normally have been like the air handler or something. Now you can you can put your Christmas decorations in here or any kind of storage you could possibly want in this closet. So that's great. And then let's go into this bedroom right here. This one's, once again, queen size bed, easily. But the closet's not as big as the other one. So this is for the people that, you don't want to stay very long. Put them in this room. Don't have much room space. Let's go in this room right here. All right. And this one's a kind of a smaller room as well. But I mean, a lot of these, plans they got here in Cobblestone Village are first-time home buyer kind of plans. So it's fantastic. Let's go downstairs and check out the backyard. Now, here's the back of the home, right? You saw the front of the home. This is the back. The difference is that was the front. This is the back, and that was the mud. So we had a lot of rain here in the Savannah area recently. So as you can see, they just put down the sod, and it's kind of taking hold, but it's not quite taking hold yet. But what a great floor plan. And like I said, this one, it could be indicative of what the size of your backyard will be, but it just depends on the lot that you pick. And then, of course, the lot that you pick will depend on the price of your home, because every lot has lot premium, so just keep that in mind. So that was the aisle plan from DR Horton in Cobblestone Village. If you have any questions about this home or any home if DR Horton has to offer, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.